Tapos dumating na yung time na pwede na sila pareho. So, it's really meant for them.
That's why doon sa first story ko, Gerald was included.
Hindi rin nag-workout kasi yung schedule ni Gerald. Sadly. But we were really scheduled to shoot. Kaya lang nagkaroon din ng problem with Gerald's schedule. So, I think it's really destined to have a real-life couple, Dennis Trillo and Jenny Mercado.
Yes. Their last movie was Rosario pa. And
pero hindi sila
ano doon talaga. Ito rom-com, wala pa silang rom-com.
Wala pa. So this is their very first.
Yeah.
And it's actually very, more than romantic, it's comedy. Kasi it's a comedy of marriage. But siyempre, pasok pa din siya sa genre ng rom-com.
Buhay na buhay ang rom-com or comedy this year.
Yes. I think yun yung gusto ng Pinoy. And we missed it. We missed laughing at the cinemas with other people. Yung talagang tatawa ka lang, matatouch ka, iiyak ka, kikiligin ka. Na-miss ng Pinoy yung ganong klase.
May chance po ba na i-submit ito sa MMFF?
Hindi na, kasi may green bones na si Dennis.
Okay.
So we can no longer pass it to MMFF. But it's okay because we have naman Himala, isang musikal.
Yes.
Creation Studios is delivering a milestone project.
Hazel Santos.
From our company, Himala, isang musikal.
Wow.
I think people should really watch out for it. It's a different kind of movie. Nagtayo talaga kami ng set sa studio. Nagtayo kami ng mundo.
Wow.
Yung mundo ng Kupang. Iba siya dito sa musical. Iba yung version. Isa to sa mga kailangan abangan ng mga fans. So it's okay lang.
May entry naman.
Kung hindi na kami makapasok sa MMFF. Yeah.
So it's, if ever direct, hindi mapupush po siya this year or next year?
We will announce the final. We will announce the final if this year talaga siya. But I think I will know sometime this week kung final siya.
Because Jeneline fans, including me, are very excited to. Yes! And 20 years na niya this year.
Yes.
So hopefully, tuloy-tuloy din yung celebration niya and her album. So we're looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and ang dami niyo po mga nakatrabaho, Jeneline, Dennis Trillo. So, sino ba po yung gusto niyong actors na makatrabaho dyan?
Top of mind.
Makatrabaho, siguro. Gusto ko si Nadine. Kasi may grit si Nadine And siguro may yung tipo ng mga roles na naiisip ko na pwede niyang dalhin. Gusto ko rin makatrabaho si Sarah Geronimo. Kasi I'm a secret popstar.
Aww.
Secret lang.
Ngayon hindi na secret.
Hindi na secret.